Justin, we've got some great news today. Control 4 has released some new cameras from their Luma line recently and added a lot more features and made it more friendly with the Control 4 app. They've focused on bringing integration capabilities directly within the Control 4 app. They also have improved nighttime vision with Starlight, which basically just allows them to use color at night. They've got local storage capabilities just in case you want some additional redundancy if your NAS goes down, or surveillance recorder. You've got the ability to record locally, or if you just don't want to invest into a recorder and don't need that large storage capacity, you can just have the cameras locally record. They've also got built-in microphone and audio input so that you can monitor audio as well and have that recorded with your video. They're also NDAA compliant. This is more of a security feature for government, but if you want to make sure that you have a secure camera, this is a really nice feature to have as well. They're also OnViv conformant, so if you don't want to use the Luma NVR platform, you can use other platforms to record it or have it streamed to other OnViv compliant devices so that you can actually access those cameras from multiple different methods. If you're getting one of the smaller ones, they're just smaller, more compact as well, and have more compatible mounting options. So, Justin will make sure to throw these up here for you, but we've got the comparison of the family so that you can see all the different features and capabilities of each of the cameras, as well as just the spec sheet about the 220 series camera that we're going to talk about today, which is a dome camera that we've got set up at my house. One of the more important features, at least for the Control 4 side and why we're talking about it today, is being able to use its built-in intelligent analytics to provide some more options for security and monitoring for our space. So let's jump into Composer and take a look. As always, we're going to switch over to the Properties tab. We're going to go into Cameras where I have the camera, and we can see the new IP camera driver there. And we got a pretty typical camera driver interface. So we've got our network information above. We got to enter our username and password. Then we have some of the camera properties, so we can see that it's online. We can see the model number, service tag. Connection method is actually important. So if this camera is going through an NVR, it's typically going to be on a different subnet. So we've got to make sure that we can communicate to the NVR, go to that specific port for this camera. So when we switch over to NVR, we'll get a setting for the channel number. So you just got to make sure that we're selecting the right channel number for the camera that we're particularly trying to access. We can see that it's got a notification status and that we can enable or disable the notifications if it is a...
Hey guys, so that was actually a snippet from one of the videos that we've already posted in our Patreon course. Matt and I have a fully immersive Control 4 programming course designed just for you to help program your home so you don't have to spend a bunch of money paying someone else to do it. If you guys want to check that out, make sure to visit the link down in the description, and thank you guys for watching.